Here I have Jaecoo 5 and let me show you on this example how to reset camera view settings on Jaecoo infotainment system. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you need to find and select the around view monitor. So this is this icon. Now let's use the settings icon located at the upper right corner. Now as you can see, you've got access to the settings with your camera, and the last settings is restore default values. So let me just tap it right here. So this will reset all settings for around view monitor. Please do not power off the vehicle during this process. Let me tap it again. This operation cannot be undone. So if you are aware of this and you would like to still accomplish that, let's tap restore. Let me do this one more time. Tap restore, and that's it. You just bring back the default configuration of your around view monitor. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.